What's up, beautiful people, and welcome back to my YouTube channel! Yay! Poging Vlogger is here. Who is he? It's Reggie! And for today's video po, meron tayong bagong gagawin. At syempre, sa mga ginagawa natin, parati tayong may mga gets. And for today's video, ang guest po natin ay walang iba kundi si Mommy! Mommy, come over! Yay! Hi, Mommy!
Hey guys!
So, ang gagawin natin ngayon ay isang translation challenge kung saan meron akong mga sasabihin na Bisaya word tapos i-define ni Mommy or ano ba ang ibig sabihin nun. Are you ready, Mommy?
Ready.
Okay, let's do this. Number 1. What is kasikas? You can define it. You can also translate it.
Kasikas.
Yes, what is kasikas?
Isn't that noise?
What noise? What specific noise?
I don't know.
Well, kasikas is actually a light noise. So, for example,
Okay.
usa ka kasikas ang akong nadungog luyo sa among balay. Next, pagmaya.
Celebration.
Pagmaya, no, wrong.
To celebrate?
To celebrate, no. Like for example, because you came, I felt pagmaya.
Alive?
Wrong. The
Pagmaya.
answer is great happiness. So pagmaya is great happiness. Next
It's
word.
connected to celebration.
Yes, actually, because
if you're happy, then you're celebrating.
yes. Okay,
And
next.
then-
How about this one? Pahiyom.
Pahiyom.
Yes, what is pahiyom?
I don't know the English of pahiyom.
Pahiyom is like this.
君の虜になってしまえばきっとこの夏は充実
Like that. What is pahiyom?
I don't know. I don't know
Pahiyom
what's the
is
English of pahiyom.
smile.
Ah,
A self-conscious smile.
smile?
We did it like this. Pahiyom. Like that.
I thought that pahiyom is something like being demure.
No,
like
pahiyom is
that.
smile actually.
Okay.
Okay, next is kagumkom. In
Crispy?
Waray, makarog-karog.
Crispy.
Oh, ang tahong.
Crispy.
makarog- Crispy? Crispy or brittle? Yes, you are correct. Next, kulbahinam.
What?
Kulbahinam.
I don't know that word.
For example,
Example, pe.
usa ka kulbahinam nga parte sa programa ang pag-anunsyo sa mga mananaog. Go, Mommy. Mommy.
Kumbaga, para na partner in ang kulba kay naan na.
Time's up. Kulbahinam actually is thrilled or
okay.
causing of a surge of emotion or excitement. Very exciting.
Because of kulba.
Kulbahinam. That's kulbahinam.
Ba yan? Kulba na lang kung tato.
What's kulbahinam? Okay, next. Nanghimisog or nanghimsog. Like, Mami, perfect ba? Murag nanghimisog ka karon.
Nanghimisog or
Yes.
nanghimsog?
Nanghimisog or nanghimisog. It's just the same.
I think it's something like getting healthier. Like that.
No. My sentence was, Mommy, you look so beautiful today. You are nanghimisog.
Kada ba na strong, na strong, na strong, nanghimmisog.
No, nangisog man. No, the answer actually is blooming. Blooming man ka, Mami. Oy. What are you using, blooming?
You glow babe lie.
Shout out your go
Bacano
babe.
Man.
Bacano Man. Okay. Next is tagubtob.
The beating. Beating of the heart like that.
Okay, this is characterized by resonance. So, tagubtob like, ang tagubtob sa kong dughan.
Yes.
Okay. Next is huyuhoy.
Huyuhoy, the blowing of the winds.
Yes.
Is it?
Yes, it is
Yeah.
the cooling breeze. Correct.
Yeah.
How about kuyanap?
Kuya.
Ni kuyanap ang COVID-19 sa tibuok
Spread.
Pilipinas. Okay, kuyanap is spread, correct. How about ania-amba or ania-ana? This is done when I roll call sa school. Like,
Attendance.
yes, what's that? What do you do when you say when you do attendance?
Present.
Present. So, ania-amba and ania-ana is present sir or present ma'am. Okay,
Is that Bisaya?
yes, it is Bisaya.
I don't
Hindi ko lang alam.
know that word.
Shout out sa mga teacher sa MTBLE or Mother Tongue,
MTB MLE.
MTB, MLE, Mother Tongue,
Multilingual
based something.
based education.
Yes, multilingual based education. So, siguro kapag nag-good morning sila, ito yung ginagawa nila. I mean, kapag nagro-roll call sila. Ania-amba, present sir, present ma'am. Next, what is English for alimpatakan?
Utok. Utok.
English.
Gani, ayaw bobo. Brain. Is it?
That which is responsible for one's thought and feelings. It is actually the brain or the mind. Isulod sa imong alimpatakan. Okay, saksak mo sa kokote mo. Okay, next is kahidlaw. Like the song, Gihidlaw na intawan ako. Gihidlaw.
I don't know.
Like, gihidlaw kog kaon o mangga.
Giganahan.
Gihidlaw ko kanimo.
Gimingaw?
Gimingaw. Or longing or missing someone or deep longing. Gitik.
Gitik.
Yes, what is gitik?
Tickle.
Tickle. Very good. Tickle or gitik like this. Tickle, when you tickle. Or kinikilite. Next is bangaw. Pangitaon ta ka sa likod sa mga bangaw. It is a sign, actually, according to the Bible, it is the sign wherein sinasabi ni Lord na hindi niya nagugunawin ang mundo through water. That is the symbol for that promise. What is bangaw? That is bangaw, actually.
Dog.
Not dog.
Ay, rainbow.
Rainbow. Bangaw is rainbow. Next, agik-ik.
Laugh.
Correct term should be the sound of the laugh. Or kung sa Tagalog, ano ba? Ano nga ba ang Tagalog ng laugh? Tawa. Halikhik. Halakhak. Yun,
Halikhik.
Halikhik. Halikhik. Whatever. Next is alimyon.
Alam mo yun? Alam mo yun?
No! Alimyon. Alimyon like is, I am captivated by your alimyon. Your alimyon smells so good.
Perfume?
No, not perfume.
Scent?
Yes, it could be a scent, but it is actually a pleasant, sweet olfactory property or yung amoy or yung bango. That is alimyon. Next is asoy. Asoy or asoy? What's asoy?
I don't know.
Like,
I don't know that.
This is the asoy of my life. This video is the asoy of my life.
Story of my
Yes,
life.
story. Asoy is story. Next is paghungkay.
Paghungkay.
What is paghungkay? Like,
so deep.
makatabang ang paghungkay sa pagpalambo sa kaugalingon. Positive paghungkay. Positive panghungkay can make yourself better.
Positive mindset?
No, not positive mindset.
Positive attitude?
In English, it started with letter C.
Positive
Constructive.
season?
Yes, it is criticism. Next, indigay. Sige mo lang magpa-indigay sa inyong mga garbo.
Pataasay?
No. Paindigay ta. Ug balay.
Padako?
No.
Big?
Somewhere, implied kasi ang thoughts. Paindigay ta. Siya ang nakadaog sa paindigay.
Pagarbuhay?
It's actually competition. Next, pangulipas.
Ay, those words are so deep. I can't
Yes,
really-
actually, ngayon ko lang din to nabasa, kaya na-excite ako, kaya naisip ko rin, bakit hindi namin gawin na challenge? What is
Ano
pangulipas? Yung kumakain ka tapos nilabas mo, kulipa.
Kakatawa yun.
Okay, hindi mabenta. Okay, edit na lang natin. Next, sige, pangulipas. Ang pangulipas ni Vicente sa iyang nabuhat maoy nakapungot nako. Iya kong gipangulipas sa atubangan.
Kawawan. Humiliated.
No. It's actually denial or the act of denying. Pangulipas. Next is oro.
Oro? Brand ba na sa kuan? Orokan?
Oro. Ito. Head. See, what is oro? Gipalit ang oro sa usa ka negosyante. Kasama ng silver at bronze. Ito ay
Gold.
gold. Always believe in your soul. Anyway, next is mangliw or mangloy. Ang huni sa mga mangliw or mangloy mo ay makakumpleto sa kagabihion.
Bird.
Umuhuni ba na bird sa gabi?
Yes.
No, the sound sa bukid.
Ay, cricket.
Cricket. That is mangliw or mangloy. Next is kasilag. Kasilagan ko ikaw.
What do you call this?
Kasilagan ko ikaw. I hate you.
Okay. Jealous.
No.
Ay, what?
Not jealous. Jealous is
Kasi-
selos.
Kasilag.
Kasilag. Yung masyadong maano yung light. Kasilag.
Ginagawa mo.
Kasilag sa adlaw.
Hindi niya gets. Kasilaw yun. What is kasilag?
Puso na ako sa una-una. Kasilaw. I think that's jealousy.
Hatred. I hate you. Di kasilagan ko ikaw. I hate you. Yun. Next, kaida. Nagtindog ang babae sa may kaida sa ilang balay. Naghigda ko sa kaida.
Kama.
Sa gawas.
Katre.
No.
Balkon.
Somehow alike ng balkon.
Terrace.
Yes, it's balkon. Balcony. Sorry. It's balcony. Next, kaguliyang. Nagkaguliyang malang mo diha.
Kaguli ang gubot. Disaster.
It could be synonymous, but the direct translation of kaguliyang is chaos.
Yeah, chaos.
Next, mabagduyon. Sige man kag bagdoy ka mabagduyon ba nimo? What's English for lagan? Is it explore? No, not door.
Dora ka, girl.
Sige. It's started with letter A. The answer is adventurous. Mabagduyon. Kani, lancha. What is
Ano
lancha?
naman ang pagkon?
Yung nasa damit,
Mancha.
Okay, what is lancha? Lancha actually is a ferry or a boat. So, yun po ang iba sa mga Bisaya na mga word na actually hindi ko din alam. So, sana sa mga Bisaya dyan nanonood, meron kayong mga tawag nito, meron kayong mga nalaman na bago. Malay nyo makatulong ito kasi meron tayong mga sa panahon ngayon kung saan ang mode of learning ay tinatawag natin na modular. Sa mga distance learning natin, ang learning modality ay modular. Maaaring magamit niyo ito sa mga grade 1 up to grade 3 kasi nga po lahat tayo ay nag-a-adjust ngayon. So gusto ko rin po at the end of this video ipaalala na kami po, I am teacher by profession. She's also teacher by profession. At marami po kami nakikita ng mga rants sa Facebook with regards to the teachers. Mind you po, kami pong lahat ay nag-a-adjust. Kami na mga teachers ay hindi din po gusto ang estado natin ngayon. At sinasabi ko po sa inyo na ginagawa namin lahat ng makakaya namin para po mapaunlad at maging effective po ito. Kung kayo po ay nag-a-adjust, kami din po ay nag-a-adjust. So, ang gawin po natin ay magtulungan, mag-work hand in hand po tayo. So, dapat po na hindi lang kami ang mag-workout kasi hindi po ito magiging effective kung hindi din po kayo makikipagtulungan sa amin. So, lahat naman ay kaya natin gawin. At sa mga estudyante ko dyan, nahihirapan ako nung magsalita. Sa mga estudyante ko dyan, if you have a hard time, you can always contact me. Sa mga estudyante din niya, you can always contact her. We are only one chat away. At bago ko po tapusin ang video na ito, shout out po pala sa mga kaibigan natin na patuloy na sumusuporta. Shout out po kay, sino ba yung mga nagpapa-shout out?
Kay Honey.
Honey who?
Honey Lin.
Oh, Honey Lin
Na
Mauas.
nandun sa,
saan ba yun?
isolation.
Sa Dolores Isolation. Hopefully, pag nakita mo na ito, lalabas ka na. So, kanina kasi nag-swab test yata. So, after ng mga ilang araw, lalabas na siya. Okay, so shoutout din po sa mga kaibigan natin na patuloy po na sumusuporta sa page natin. Shoutout po kay Mark Kevin Lozada, hi Kibot, and also, I would like to shout out Marionel Ibon and Wendell Abasula. Hi Wendell! Miss you everyone. And I would like to shout out also RJ Mercado, John Verhel, Aniban, and Dominic Paco. Thank you for entertaining me. Thank you for being with me for the past day. So, I had fun. I enjoyed a lot. And I think that's it. At kung hindi ka pa nakapag-subscribe, mag-subscribe ka na. Click the notification bell para pumugi ka at kumanda. So, thank you po. Thank you po talaga. Salamat sa mga suporta. And this has been Reggie and
Mommy.
Bye-bye!